Okay, so I'm sitting here at home late at night. It's 9:30 at night. I'm going to show you how I do some arbitrage. So here I got some USDC. I'm at a Phantom network. $1,000 USDC gets me 615 wrapped Phantom. So let's roll with that. Let's get 615. It cost me 29 cents in Phantom for the gas. So it's going to be total 1,000 and the change. So 1,001 for the exchange here. All right, trade was settled. I got 615 wrapped Phantom, 615 and a half. We're gonna go to a previous exchange where I quoted some prices. Spirit Swap, another exchange on Phantom Network. Connect on there. I got my 615 Phantom. We're gonna get 100%. We're gonna go back into USDC, and look at that. They're paying me $6 above what I just got it for. So here's my approval for 2 cents.
Imagine at the end, there's just
all right, that should just go in. Should have approved this earlier, but I mean, you only need to approve it once. Nathan. All right, and swap it. I should get 6, at least 998. Worst case scenario, then I'll lose money. All right, 5 cents for this execution here. Let's see what I end up getting it for. Right now I have 4,313, so that's 5,319. I made $6. So enough to get you some chicken nuggets if you're hungry on a quick in and out swap. And that's arbitrage.